So now that we've created our character for Bloxels, in this case we designed Little Red Ninja Hood, we need to design the other elements of the game. Now the principles that we'll be using to import the board and to edit the images are all going to be the same for the different types of images. So the first thing we're going to start with is designing a new board. And a board is a still image, it doesn't move, that you can either use for something for the character to interact with or as a piece of the background for the character to walk past. So in this case, I have created a house for Little Red to start from. This is going to be just an image in the background in her game. So we are going to do just like we did with the character. We're going to go into our Bloxels app. We're going to tap Game Builder. And this time we're going to do the picture all the way to the right with the still images. And you can see it's bringing up one of the ones that's pre-built into the game in my case. So it has some things that are already designed for the game. This case is a treasure chest. But right now we're going to create a new board. So to do that, I'm going to tap this top left corner where it says Add Board. So now I have a blank board, and if I open up my drawer, you can see there's a blank board there. And just like we did for Little Red, we're going to use our camera to import the image we've designed on our board. And there's her house, and you can see some of the colors are a little bit off, so I'm going to mess with my, looks like the brightness is the issue. I think I have some glare because I have overhead lighting in the room I'm using. And I also have a square of red that's not showing up, so I'm going to adjust the warmth and see if that brings that into picture. There it is. So now the picture's all ready. We're going to hit the check mark. And then I actually didn't want these bushes to be this lovely yellow, so I'm going to open up my palette. And you can see this is what the picture looks like over here in the game. And I'm actually going to touch the yellow, and now I'm going to tap in the different colors this dark green. And it's going to change all my yellow blocks to green, which will make it look a little bit more like brush. I'm also going to do the same thing with the pink. I actually wanted her roof to be a brown color, but I don't have any brown blocks. So that's how I'm going to change it to a color that I like. So now we have a house for Little Red. And if I open up the drawer over here on the left, you can see here's her house, all ready to go for her game. And that's how you create boards, which are still images that you can use to decorate your video game.